at all this, you guys. I don't want a situation of what I ordered versus what I got. Not this time, please. Well, what's up, J Farm? How are you lovelies doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. You are welcome to another video. You guys, we have unboxing to do. Let me just go straight to the point because I'm pretty excited. You guys already know how I feel about unboxing. You already know how I feel about new things. I get super excited. So without further ado, let's just dive right into it. And in case you're hearing noise, Alex is over there. He's just over there doing his thing. You know, I have to keep him close so I can, have my eyes on him. And also, let's dive right into the unboxing. We have lots of package. I digress. Not a lot of package, but we have 3 big packages to unbox. So let's just dive right into it. We have, let me show you. 1. Alex.
9.
Now we have 3. And then we have 2. And the last but not the least, we have 3. So without further ado, let's just dive right into it, shall we? Oh, look at all this, you guys. Look at these 3 packages we have to unbox. And of course, I don't have a scissors. I don't know. Whenever I have to unbox, I forget to prepare the scissors. So I'm going to go grab the scissors and I'll be right back. Why is this boy laughing? Oh, he's watching a very funny cartoon, I guess. But yeah, let's go grab the scissors, shall we? Let me quickly bring this down. Okay, let's go get the scissors.
A few moments later.
So guys, I am back and let's dive straight into the unboxing. First one first. Let's see what we have in here, shall we? Alex, look at this. Okay, let's bring them out one after the other. So here we have, this. Here we have, some shorts for Alex. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Yeah, Alex, look at this. This is for you. Look. Do you like it? You like it? Ah, he loves it. He said he likes it. So I got this shorts, and when I saw it, it came in this color and also in black. And I decided to get them both because why not? Let me show you guys the black one. Ta-da! This is the black one. Ta-da! And one thing I love about this is not just the design, the quality. It feels amazing. Like the quality is amazing. I'm going to be trying them on Alex later, of course. But I already know his size, and looking at it, I'm pretty sure they will fit him. So yeah. This is first things first. And then second, we have some shoes. This is also for Alex. Ta-da! Yeah, ta-da! This is also for Alex. You guys, this is nice. and they look,
This.
so far everything I've opened, they look exactly like the picture, and I hope it continues like this. I don't want a situation of what I ordered versus what I got. Not this time, please. So this is the shoe, and yeah, I love it so far. Still giving the same quality. And let's proceed. What is? Yep, I think this is for me. Just a nice t-shirt. Ta-da! Ta-da! Just another one of these amazing t-shirts, because you guys, I'm loving t-shirts nowadays. Let me quickly check it out in the mirror just in case. Wow. Wow, the colors are totally giving. But yeah, let's not waste so much time. Let's proceed. Wait, where's the scissors? I have to put this where I will find it easily. So let's continue. What is in here? Okay, this is also for Alex. Yes, these are also for Alex. It's giving mature. It's giving my mama have a good eye. It's giving nice. It's giving my mama has a good eye. I love it, you guys, and I can't wait to see this on Alex. I can't wait for him to wear this. Like, I love it. Okay, what is also here? Okay, this is another one of the same shirt. Ta-da! Please let me know what you guys think, okay? All these things I'm unboxing, let me know which ones are your favorite in the comment section. Please, please, please let me know, because so far I can't decide. It's giving my mama has a good eye. But let's continue. Oh, you guys, I got additional something. Let me show you. Let me open this. Okay, ignore my nails because I'm going to get them done soon. But just check this out, you guys. Check this out. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me see. Okay, I think I have to get it resized a little bit, or maybe not, but yeah. Ta-da! It's amazing. I love it. I love it so far. Let me quickly just put it here. Ah! A nice addiction. I can't even speak. I'm too stunned. I can't speak. But this is a nice addition to my collection. Ah! But yeah, let's continue. So, what do we have here as well? This is also for Alex. More shorts for him.
More shorts.
Yeah, more shorts. Look. What do you think?
Look.
And I got them in 3 different colors, because why not? Green, brown, and this is the brown one, the green one, and of course there's one more color. Ta-da! In blue as well, because why not? Yes, darling, it's a blue one. And also I think there are shirts in here also for Alex. You guys, these are also for Alex. I got them blue. just to match the shorts. So I got it in blue. I also got it in, is this gray? I also got it in this color. It's grayish, and of course in brown as well. What do you guys think? Let me know at the comments. It's giving my mama has a good eye. My mama knows, has good eye for fashion. Oh, you guys. So last was, oh yeah, I ordered so many things that I'm almost forgetting what is in there. So of course here I got 2 belts for me, because we are taking our fashion sense up a notch. So I got me 2 belts, black and brown, because like I said, we are taking our fashion sense up a notch. So I got me, this is the belt, this is the brown one here, and yeah, this is the black one I have here. So I'm pretty excited about this. Usually I don't use belts, but recently I don't know, started having interest in belts, because apart from this holding up your pants, they can be a very nice fashion accessories to your outfit, and they can elevate your outfit as well. So I thought I'd get myself 2 belts. One is black, one is brown. So yeah, I'm super excited about this, and I can't wait to try them on. So let's continue. Let's continue. What is in here? I think this is the, yeah, I think this is the last from the first package. Here we have denim, also for Alex. Ta-da! Ta-da! Wow! Wow! What do you guys think? What do you guys think, huh? Let me know at the comments. This is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, and I'm already having a picture in my head of how to style this, and I'm pretty sure Alex will look gorgeous in this. That's why I got it. I mean, it's so beautiful, and it also comes with a tank top to wear on the inside. Let me quickly open this up. How do I open this up? Okay, found it. So it also comes with a tank top. Ta-da! This is so cute. And of course, this is the shorts that goes with it as well. Like I said, I cannot wait to style this, because my son will be glowing in this. He will look gorgeous. He will look handsome. Take away. He will look so good. But yeah, this is everything in the first package. So let's quickly dive right into the next package. But before then, I have to clear this area so we can also unbox the next package here. So I'll see you guys in a jiffy. You guys, okay, first of all, I'm back, and I just realized we missed something on the floor. Let me quickly grab it. I guess this was in the first package, but I somehow missed it. So let me quickly open this up for you guys as well. How did I miss this? I guess it slipped off of the package and I did not notice. Whoa, I would have totally lost it now. But luckily, I didn't miss it. But yeah, luckily I found it. Not that I didn't miss it, I missed it. Wow, you guys, this is so cute. This is another bracelet. It's a bit tangled up, so let me try to, okay. Ta-da! 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 Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see this? Another addition to my collection, and it's so pretty. And yes, I know it's not real gold, so please don't come for me, okay? I'm not rich. I cannot afford real jewelries yet. But I love fashion, so I will dress with what I can afford. How gorgeous is that? But yeah, let's continue with the unboxing. We have the third package. Nah, the second one. We have the second package. Let me just... Oh, these are shoes. Ta-da! Look at this, you guys. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Ah! Shoes for Alex. It's giving nice quality. It's giving very gorgeous. It's giving fabulous. Ah! It's giving, I love the shoes. It's giving, my mama has good eyes. Ah! I love it, you guys. And the quality is really nice. Look at this. Love it. But let's continue. I'm pretty sure you already know what is in here. Ta-da! 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 Oh my God, my boy is gonna be looking like 10 out of 10. 10 over 10 minus nothing. Not even a single dot. Minus absolutely nothing. Look at this, you guys. Look at this, you guys. Did I mention that you should look at this? Look at this. I know. Okay, I know I overhype everything, but I'm super excited and I'm grateful to be able to, you know, gift my boy these amazing pieces. And of course, Stefan also bought some here. It's like, I'm not going to take the credit for everything. Ah, super excited. Let's continue. More shoes, you guys. More shoes. More shoes. More shoes. More shoes. More shoes. Yeah, more shoes. More shoes. Look at this. 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 I'm speechless. I am literally speechless. But look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Like I said, I'm excited because I'm grateful that Stefan and I are able to gift our son good clothes, good shoes. Because, I mean, we are happy and grateful for this. And let's continue. Okay, I think this one is a bit big. I think this one is a bit big. But it's fine. Alex will grow into it. Ta-da! 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 Super excited, you guys. These shoes are so beautiful and the qualities are amazing, to be honest. They are really, really good. But this one seems a bit big, but Alex will grow into it in no time. You know, kids, they grow really fast. So he will definitely grow into it soon. So let's continue. Okay, I think this is all in the second package. Let's dive right into the third. I'm going to clear this place up a bit so we can have more space for the third package. Just give me a little bit of time and I'll be right back. Bye.
One eternity later.
So guys, I am back like I never left. Did you miss me? Let me know, did you miss me? But yeah, enough with the playing around. Let's continue with the third and final package. Got my scissors. The third and final package. Let's see what we have in here. Let's see what we have in here. Ta-da, you guys. We have a lot of stuff in here. Yes, Alex, you guys. So, let me put this away and let's continue. First things first, we have this one.
This one.
Yeah, this one. I wonder what is in here. All right.
Next one. The pen.
Oh, yes, you guys. I got me some really nice shorts. Some really, really nice shorts. Because why not? I can't wait to try this on. So these are a set of really nice shorts. They come in 3 colors. I think black, brown, and white. So let me quickly just show you guys the rest, the other colors it comes with, or it came with. I have, this is the brown one.
Wow.
Ooh, I can't wait to try this on. They look a bit big, but we will see. I hope they are not so big. So this is it. This is the brown one. And ta-da! This is the white one. We are taking our fashion sense up a notch. I love them. When I saw them, I'm like, no, gimme. I love them. Also with the fact that I don't have so many shorts. So these are really good. These are really, really good. Nice addition. So what's next? I'm going to be trying them on and also maybe inserting the clip of me wearing them. But let's see how it goes first. So next we have we have a dress. Let me see, quickly see. Oh, you guys, this is okay. Maybe it's a bit, it's going, I don't know. It's looking a bit short, but I will have to try it out to really see. But look at this beauty. Look at this beauty right here. Look at this dress right here, you guys. You guys, in my last unboxing, I told you guys that I'm starting to wear more dresses. So I thought I get me more dresses, of course. But look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Look. Ah! I can't wait to try this on and show you how it fits on this gorgeous body. But yeah, let's continue. So, in here I have a steamer. You guys, you have no idea how much I have wanted a steamer. In the vlog where we went to an African festival here in Germany, you saw how I was dressed with my rumpled dress. It was so rumpled, and now I got me a steamer. Ah! No more rumpled clothes. Super excited. No more rumpled clothes. Let me just put this on the floor. Okay, comes with a cup. I don't know what this cup is for, but it comes with a cup. And this is the star of the show. Okay, it's supposed to be white. I don't know why they gave me the black one. But yeah, this is the star of the show. This is the steamer. This is the steamer. So it didn't come in the color I ordered it. I ordered a white one, but it came black. So yeah, I will be testing this out. Oh, it's rotating. Look. I will be testing this out and hopefully it works. Steamer, no more rumpled clothes. I'm super excited about this one because you guys, you have no idea how I hate going out with rumpled clothes. But because I could not do anything about it, I just have to go with the flow. But now I can do something about it. Now I am able and willing and possible I can do something about it. But yeah, let's continue. Sorry, I'm too excited. You know how I am with new things. You know how I am with unboxing. If you're already following me since ages, you know me already. So this is just me being super excited, okay? So bear with me and let's continue the unboxing. Oh. So what's next in here? Okay, this is for, you already know who. You already know who this is for. This shirts, the qualities are really nice, and I'm not just saying it because I'm saying it because it's the fact. It's the fact because I'm touching it right now. But look, how gorgeous is this shirt, huh? How gorgeous is this shirt? Oh my goodness. Oh. Ta-da. So this shirt is for Stefan. Ta-da, you guys. What do you guys think? Stefan is not so big on fashion. So whenever he lets me get him something, I like to go for the best of the best of the best of the best. Ah! So when I saw this shirt, I instantly fell in love with it, and I thought, nah, this is the shirt. I'm getting this. I'm getting this one. What do you guys think? Let me know at the comments. So I got Stephen this shirt. Another t-shirt for me. You guys, these t-shirts, they are not too expensive, and I feel like they are very nice. The colors are amazing, so I got them. I got it in different colors. I have already unboxed the first one. It's over there. I'm looking at it right now, and this is the second one I got of the same shirt, and in a different color. Let me quickly look at it in the mirror. Yeah, totally giving 10 out of 10. No regrets. Zero regrets. So let's continue. Okay, this is for Stefan. Wow, you guys, when I saw this and I saw the reviews, I'm like, okay, the reviews are not bad, and I really hope, I really hope that it is as good as people were saying. But now that it's here, now that I can feel it, now that I can touch it, wow, I am impressed. I am impressed. I can't wait for Stephen to come back from work and try this on, and also try the shirt on. I'm super excited. I can't wait. Stephen is not so big on fashion, so whenever he lets me get him something, like I get excited because wow, whenever you want to get him something, it's like, oh no, don't worry about me, don't worry about me. So whenever he lets me get him something, I'm excited. So I can't wait for him to come back and try this, and let's see how it is. So let's continue. Oh, so this is another short for me. Okay, this is giving big. This is giving, wait, I'm just quickly checking it out in the mirror. Okay, but I love the color, and yeah, when I saw it, I'm like, okay, let's give it a try, because the color is looking so good, and I don't have any short in this color. Honestly, I only have one short, like, or is it two? But yeah, now I got more, and I am loving them so far. The color is totally giving, and yeah, this is nice. I can't wait to try them on, of course. Maybe I will try them on and insert the videos here, or maybe not, but I love everything I got. And the last but not the least, I want to make sure I'm not missing anything, because I don't want to lose anything. So the last but not the least, wow, another dress, another dress. Wow, you guys, wow, I love the color, and I feel like this color will definitely complement my complexion. So, and the dress is so beautiful. I decided to get it because why not, huh? So this is everything I got so far. Please let me know which one is your favorite at the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new vlog, a new video, be it unboxing or whatnot. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed and much love. Bye.